Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the assignment for you guys. Remember, your thumb is your how to number your fingers. The thumb is the one down to the pinky. So I've set my metronome to 60 beats per minute. So 2, 3. So the first exercise is 1. I'm following the beats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's my finger numbers. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The note I'm playing is C, D, E, F, G. That's a basic finger exercise. Then the next thing, you now play with your left hand, starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, go. 3, 4. Left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for the left hand. So after playing at this tempo, you can gradually increase the speed. But sorry, let me remove the divide in it so that it will go on. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, B, C. As you get that, you can now gradually increase the tempo to as fast as you want. But the first thing is to practice at that speed. Later you can even get to break this into 2 beats. You can get as fast as you want. You can increase it to, you can increase the beat to let's say allegro. But you don't rush, you start slow first. You start slow first. You start slow first. That should be allegro. I'll get to allegro. 60. Sorry. Two. So the next thing is, after playing the right hand, back, then the next exercise is to play both hands together. 2, 3, go. Always follow the time in your metronome. That's good practice exercise, and it helps you not to get bored on time. Like I said, after practicing that, you can decide to now increase the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like on this app, I can decide to divide the beat into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I know. That's the first finger exercise. Now the second exercise that I would expect you to do is this. I'm going to play it slow first, then play it fast, and I'll be calling the fingers. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then faster is like this. That's another. For the left hand, I'll call the fingers 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me stop the metronome so you can get it slowly. 5 for C, 4 on E, 2 on G, 1 on A, 2 back, 3, 4, 1. This is for the left hand. For the right hand it is 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sometimes you can make mistakes, but you just try to move on. The major thing is to practice in time. I know. The major thing is to practice in time and all that. So that's why it starts slow. But the slowest you can start is at 60 beats per minute. That's the recommended starting speed, 60 beats per minute. So the major thing is to practice in time. In case of forgetting the notes, you can switch off the metronome and get the notes and the fingers correctly. And once you've gotten it right, then you practice. Now these are finger exercises that you are meant to practice every day, every moment. Sometimes even when there's no light, the keyboard, there's no sound on the keyboard, you still go 2, 2, 2, 2. So there are many finger exercises you can practice. So that's the assignment is I want you to take your metronome on any keyboard of your choice that you have access to, and I want us to do those 2 finger exercises, record the sound and upload it. The idea is to get your hands playing on the keyboard. Remember, by now I expect you to be able to know your C. Where's your C on the keyboard? Where's your D? Where's your E? Where's your A? I know. If you remember from the previous video I showed you, I explained how to label your alphabet. This is your C. Your C is the first white key before the 2 black keys. So C. The good thing about the screenshot you have here is every note I play is displayed. You can see this C2. That's C2, that's the 2nd octave. C3, that's your 3rd octave C. C4, your 4th octave C. C0, C1. That's for labeling sake. But one thing I want you to just do now, the difference between the lower C is the pitch, is the sound. Eventually when playing, it's like when you're singing, there are sometimes you want to sing a very high note, there are sometimes you want to sing a low note, sometimes you want to sing your bass, sometimes you want the high notes. So it's all part of playing. There are times you just want to sing along the middle range. Do you understand? I know. There are some times when you just, I know. So the idea is understanding that they are just repetitions from this C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. It's the same notes but different pitches. So it's important you guys get to understand that, like this, like I said, this is an introductory course and I'm trying to infuse the major things to get you playing. We've talked about your finger exercises, we've talked about some motivations you need to know. So right now, the major thing you need to understand now is get your hands playing on the keyboard by practicing those exercises. I've already told you about the fingers to use and I'm displaying the notes now. And I said practice with your metronome. There are a lot of finger exercises for you to practice. There are some you can create on your own, but this is to get you started. So please, these are not things you memorize or cram. These are things you have to demonstrate. These are things that no matter how far you are, no matter how advanced you are, you would always need to do these things to warm yourself up and all that. So thank you, and God bless.